The Banqueting House is called the Hidden Royal Treasure. A, because it belongs to the Queen, and B, because it's hidden among all the government buildings. And only when you step inside do you see the wonderful Rubens ceiling. The events that we cater for are weddings, concerts, balls, dinners, parties, fashion shows, theatre-style conferencing, stand-up receptions for up to 600. It was built in 1622 for James I. He wanted somewhere to entertain, so he asked the King's architect, a chap called Inigo Jones, to design him a palace. And when he died, his son Charles I, who was a great collector of art, met Peter Paul Rubens, and he commissioned him to paint 9 ceiling paintings, which were the life and wise government of James I, which extol the virtue of monarchy. We're here in the main hall of the Banqueting House. Behind me is the throne which Charles II is alleged to have sat in. It will seat 400 for a concert or a wedding. And for fundraising, this room is absolutely wonderful. It makes people feel special that they're here. The undercroft, it's a vaulted space, and nowadays we use it very much for pre-dinner drinks, small dinners. It's an unintimidating space. This can be quite intimidating, so once people have had a drink downstairs, they then come in here and go, wow. Location is amazing. It is right in the middle of Whitehall. It is diagonally opposite Downing Street where the Prime Minister lives, and the Prime Minister often comes to events here because at one time this was at the centre of the English Constitution, where Cromwell used this room, as did kings and queens. It's now one of the finest banqueting houses in the country.